Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax at Dallas, and we're on board a Premier Sunsation Angler Edition. So the Angler Edition is pretty much your standard pontoon boat floor plan, at least from here up. Wraparound seating in the front, mouse hole cutouts for your cup holders, LED lighting in the seat bases and in the cup holders. As with all of the other Premiers, raised helm is actually standard from this brand, which is really nice. Does have a Simrad fish finder built into your dash. That's also where your head unit for your your Clarion speaker is. One of the nice things about Premiers, because they do that big oversized middle log, it raises the capacity of this boat up to 15 people or a little over 2,100 pounds. So if you're looking to do some fishing and seat a lot of bodies, this is probably a good model for you. L-shaped bench seat back here, but what really sets this boat apart is how nice the fishing setup back here is. Extra large pedestal back here, big double live well, storage, flip out storage for tackle trays. It's just done really well. Vertical rod storage, two nice fishing seats. But one of the coolest things is, and you can't really see it because of how these boats are laid in here next to each other, this whole side panel opens and swings to the front to make the back of this just wide open for fishing, so nothing gets in your way as you're reaching down to a dock or as you're fishing. So done really, really well. It also has an extra large bimini top. But if you have any questions on this or any other boat you'll see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We look forward to talking to you.